Come on, are you ready?
Well, I'm about to try pig's ear. You can even see its veins. This is probably the freakiest thing I think I'm gonna eat.
You have to be so clean because it's so dirty. It's have a lot of hair and a lot of...
I think I need
12 hours, 85 degrees.
12 hours.
Yeah, so we have to put the ear into the oven and we go to the party and
We come back and eat.
if you want, you can put into the vacuum bag 12 hours.
12 hours. It's gonna be a long night.
The ear, cook it and cut it as well.
So what are the layers of fat? Yeah, the cartilage.
Okay. It's amazing.
Wow.
All the plates in Bache are amazing. I don't know why. I think I'm like a genius or something like that. You wanna remind me all the days of your life.
Yeah.
We do this wine so close to the
You
sea.
think this smells like the sea?
Yes.
Yeah?
It's so strong.
I
It's a
like
bit
it though.
strange. You like it?
Yeah, I do. A high five for that. Okay.
If you like this wine, you like me. That's
All right, all right.
Okay.
Wow. Ah, sweet talker.
Whoa.
Yeah, that's really good. I don't think I would.
Thanks for coming.
Thank you. Okay, so this is Jacome, a good friend of Marla's who we met on Sunday. He's got a freaking epic hipster clothing library. And he had live music there, so it's a pretty kind of awesome concept. And now we're here in his like rooftop apartment, about to cook some paella, his granddad's paella recipe. We're all too lazy to take the stairs.
Okay, the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna fry the chicken. While we're frying the chicken and the squid, we will cut in the tomato in small little pieces, and then we'll fry everything together. Later we will add the shrimps, we'll add the wine, the rice, and the fish stock, and drink some beer while we wait. That's what we will do.
So I think watching Stefan and his knife skills, how quick he is and how delicate he is with the fish.
Get rid of the head.
Yep.
Okay.
A bit chunky. I think now I have a lot more of an appreciation
Yeah,
crunch, for people who are good at filleting fish.
Yeah. We lost
lost
quite
a
a bit of
bit.
fish. Yeah. So you have to get rid of the belly bones.
Okay. Because it's a fine art.
Sick.
God, I'm making a mess of
Yeah,
this.
you got to understand really what it. But no,
That's a little
it took
bit.
me about 1 hour to.
It's good.
You wanna go for a ride on the bicycle? Okay, just in the back.
Oh my God.